Hey, I'm pharmacist Rory Blake, trying to walk and talk. Today I want to talk about something called major depressive disorder, which is a really bad depression. Um, and I just read an article in Journal of American Medical Association, April 19th online edition, about a study that was done in England, the UK, and it involved a large cohort. It's like over 58,000 people, and they were aged from 37 to 73, and it was a study that revealed major microbiome disruption, and there were a lot of microbiomal bacteria involved that I recognized as being very important for serotonin production and other neurotransmitters. The microbiome is a whole lot more important to neurotransmitters than people understand. I think we said the other time, day before yesterday when we talked, that all mammals have 25,000 genes, and the difference that makes us so much more successful and so much more sophisticated than the other ones is the fact that we have a large microbiome, and I think I called it an organ. And combined with the difference in the human lymph system, which is the human lymph system has 400 lymph nodes that including the brain, which collect amino acids and fatty acids, and of course a lot of the neurohormones are basically fatty acids, long-chain fatty acids. So it's really important to note that that's the difference between other animals and humans. And so the actual fact that we're able to find disruption in the microbiome behind major depression is important. So I didn't want to let that go without noting it here. I really do think that I think that we have an obligation really to tell people that good diet and to walk and because your lymph system doesn't circulate without walking. So if you don't walk, you don't get the benefit of the amino acids and fatty acids that are made in the gut and need to be disseminated around the body. So if people were cognizant that we were actually made to walk. I mean, we're hunter-gatherers, and so chimpanzees can lay around all day and do nothing because they don't have to have stuff circulated, because they don't have the extra neurotransmitters that we have and that need to be pushed around to the places that are needed. So it's something that we've got that's special, and because we're hunter-gatherers, we didn't get a pump like the heart. The heart pumps oxygen and glucose around the body, and so to get amino acids and neurotransmitters and fatty acids around, it has to use the lymph system. So walking or muscle movement, and actually walking is better than other, maybe sit-ups are better, but most exercise isn't as good as walking. So the thing that people need to take away from this is that you need to walk, you need to watch your diet, you need to do a lot better job of taking care of that organ that's not called an organ, the microbiome, and I think we'll all be better for it and live longer and happier lives. So thank you for your time spent watching this, and appreciate your help. I'm still fighting with the patent office to try to get some of these things out to the public. I'm a great pharmacist. I'm great at at designing drugs and figuring out how to get them into the right place, and working around the microbiome, because the bad bacteria have first shot at everything we eat, so we have to get it around them. So with your help, we can probably do something. So if you can, support my fight against discrimination in the patent office against aging and anti-aging. So I think we'll be victorious, but it's going to take all of us working hard. Thanks again for your time.